Joel Hawthorne in the Morning Snapshot joins me now for our final trade of the day, and I'm happy to say he's taking a look at Disney. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
So this stock has been a good stock.
It is. I like it. I like it a lot.
And now we have earnings coming up, what, May 9th?
May 9th.
So this is an ahead of earnings kind of a play here, right?
It is. Yes, indeed.
So what do you see happening to Disney on earnings?
Well, I really think in the short term, I think the stock may see somewhat of a pullback. In my opinion, I think the stock has been in the news. We know what happened at ESPN. They had to kind of lay off some on-air personalities. I think some of that arm of the company is really struggling. But long term, we know that Disney is definitely the leader in family and children entertainment.
Right, those billion-dollar films.
Yes, absolutely. So I think that part, this is a strong stock in my opinion. I think this stock will definitely rally and continue in its uptrend.
So you are long-term bullish on this stock.
That is correct.
But you think some people will start to take profits off the table around this earnings?
Absolutely. I think a lot of there's a potential where people will take some profit off the table, and also we may see, just because of the negative news, that stock kind of get under pressure a little bit.
What option strategy would you play on Disney?
I'm looking for what you call a protective put, or what some may call a synthetic long call. I'm looking for owning the stock outright, but also buying an at-the-money put to kind of protect myself if that stock does pull back a little bit.
What do you think about this premise of sell in May?
I've heard that before.
Sell in May, walk away.
Absolutely.
Come back in what, September,
October?
Yeah,
come back about in September, because August is kind of like that dreadful month of like no volatility. So I think May is kind of that start of the kids are getting out of school, families on vacation, no volatility, kind of summer trading, kind of, a lot of people say it sucks, excuse my French. But I do think that some of that summer vol kind of gets very thin. I think it's kind of, a lot of traders kind of go on vacation then, so that's why they say sell in May and walk away.
Would you do that with your own portfolio?
No. I think for me, I am a little bit more conservative when vol does lighten up, but I'm always looking for opportunity. I think, as I'm scanning markets every day, I'm always looking for seeing what's out there, what's cheap.
Is there anything out there that you think people are missing, areas of growth?
I do. I think a lot of times, I think right now we have to continually look at financials. Bank stocks, I think, are going to be key, not only in the short term, but in the long term. I really do think you look at some of the Bank of Americas, the Chase, Wells Fargo, I think Deutsche Bank, some of those are going to be very interesting in the coming months here.
Thank you for coming on the show, Joel.
Well, thanks for having me.